Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about velocity. Velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement is called velocity. It is the rate of change of position in a particular direction. It is a vector quantity. Mathematically, velocity can be calculated displacement by time. Its unit is cm per second in CGS system and meter per second in the MKS systems. For example, I will show you how to calculate velocity. Suppose a body is moving 300 meter within 15 seconds. Then its velocity can be calculated. Velocity equals 300 displacement by time. Then it's is 20 meter per second. That's all about velocity.